What's up, my glam family? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a maintenance vlog, so the setup might be different throughout the video. It's going to consist of doing my hair, my nails, possibly my lashes, but yeah, y'all gonna be here throughout the video, so make sure y'all stay tuned, keep watching, and make sure y'all like this video and comment down below if you liked this video. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel, that way you can stay notified of any videos that I upload. Let's just get into it.
I gave you all you needed. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Then I made it mess up your mind, and I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy, loving your body, baby. Girlie, what needs in me? I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day you don't need no other body.
So yeah, y'all, finished with my nails. I actually need to take these braids down and do my hair, wash it and stuff like that. I took all them braids out. I didn't already detangled, but my hair needs to be dyed. Do y'all see that? You see how my hair is growing out of, yeah, my color. Even though my hair was blue, all that blue is gone and now it's like brown on the ends. So yeah, we about to put a relaxer in. Now for all you natural girls out there, please don't come for me. Please don't, please don't. I love natural hair, don't get me wrong, but I've been natural for some time now. As you see, I've been natural since 2013, 2014. We're in 2023. Yeah, it's getting, yeah, it's not doing it for me, and plus it'll be easier for me to manage. It'll cut down the time that it takes to blow dry, press, all of that. I'm not tender-headed, but the way my arms be working, they be screaming at me. So I'm going to use the Just For Me regular no lie conditioning cream or laxer. And like I said, I'm just doing this to soften my texture a little bit. I just took them out of the braids, so my curl pattern is not showing right now. It's thick and I don't have time for it. It's too hot. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I got the relaxer on and I smoothed it all out. So yeah, we're gonna wait a little bit and rinse this shit out. is the hair. Told you I was either gonna do like a slick back or a low pony, but yeah, this is what it's doing now. It's giving. So now I'm going to do my lashes.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody on next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fit up. Level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing.
Yeah, this is the finished product of my maintenance, self-maintenance. I don't know if this is going to be all over the place, so if it is, please bear with me. I was doing a lot and it's hot here, so yeah, I just had to do what it do, you know. Hope y'all enjoyed, you know, my little self-maintenance. If y'all have any questions or y'all need any pointers on how to do something, just let me know in the comments, because if you don't let me know, then I'm not gonna know what you need help with, or you know, stuff like that. So I really want y'all to take the chance and ask me whatever y'all want to ask. I'm not a gatekeeper. I like to let people know what's the what and what to do. I like how my hair came out, my lashes, as y'all see, and I'll just do it on a quick lip because I'm about to go grab some food. But yeah, my nails, some short. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. When y'all subscribe to my channel, that lets YouTube know that y'all like my videos. It helps me out when y'all subscribe, so make sure y'all subscribe down below, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, my loves.